Are you tired of scrolling through your phone, wondering how to make money or improve your financial situation? What if I told you that you could learn profitable skills online without spending a dime? In today's video, you will be learning 10 free beginner courses that can help you earn money, manage money, or build a career from home. Now, these are simple to start or learn with your phone, even with zero experience. Let's get started. So the first on our list is digital marketing. Digital marketing. Now, Google Digital Garage offers a course called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. You will learn how to promote products online, run ads, use email marketing, and attract customers through search engine and social media. So someone would ask, why does it matter? This course gives you a certificate from Google, open the doors to jobs, freelancing, or promoting your own business. Remember, I will drop in the link to all of the platforms in the description of this video. Do not forget to check that out. Now you can get this on Google Digital Garage as established earlier. The next on our list is graphic designing. Canva.com teaches you how to create eye-catching designs for social media, flyers, ads, and more. You don't need graphic design skills to begin. Now, why does it matter? Many small businesses need business design help. You can start charging for logos, poster, or Instagram template. Search for Canva Designs School free course to get this course. Coming up, number 3, we have Meta Blueprints. Now, Meta Blueprints offers short courses on running Facebook and Instagram ads, building pages, and analyzing ads performance. Now, with this skill, you can help businesses advertise online or promote your own product. On number 4, we have content marketing. Hubspot Academy offers a free course on content marketing. You'll learn how to write content that attracts readers and engages and converts readers as well. Now, why does this matter? You can use the skill to grow a blog, manage business pages, or work as a freelance writer. Search for Hubspot content marketing course to assess this. On number 5, we have e-commerce. Alison offers a free course on e-commerce that explains how to set up an online store, pick products, and sell them digitally. And moreover, I have a video on how you can start this e-commerce on Facebook Marketplace. Check for the video anywhere around this channel. Search for Alison free e-commerce course and you would get access to this. So number 6 on our list is Introduction to Financial Market. Now, Coursera by Yale offers this. This course explains how the stock market, banks, and investment work. Now, why does this matter? It helps you grow wealth and what to do with your money in the long run. Search for Financial Market, Yale, Coursera, and you'll get access to this. At number 7, top paying skill you can learn for free is copywriting. Now, you can learn how to write persuasive words to sell products from sales page, right, or product description. Now, businesses need copywriters. You can earn from writing ads or content for websites. So we have the SEO training by Moores or HubSpot. Now, SEO means search engine optimization, and this means you help websites rank on Google. Now, this course teaches you how to write content that gets found for either bloggers, content writers, online businesses. All of those persons all need SEO. Search for Moore's Beginner Guide or HubSpot SEO course. On number 9, we have Personal Finances 101. Now, EDX. Now, this course teaches you how to budget, right? Save. Number 2, pay off debt and manage income. Now, why does this matter? It shows you how to take control of your money and build better financial habits. Search for Personal Finance 101 EDX free course to assess this. We're gradually coming to the end of our video. Now, the last but not the least on our list is freelancing. Now, Skillshare offers, for the free trial, of course, this course teaches you how to become a freelancer, set up profile, find clients, and get paid. Now, from the beginning of this video, we listed some skill. Now, if you have any skill, be it writing, editing, designing, you can offer it online. Now, all you need to do is search freelancing for beginners, Skillshare, and you're good to go. You'll be given or granted access to the course. Like I established earlier, all of these are free. So there you have it. 10 free digital courses that can change your life, whether you want to earn more, manage money better, or build a side hustle. Now there is something for you. Hit the like button if you found value. Subscribe for our next video. We'll be exploring something new. All of this just to help you stay ahead of the curve. Thank you and bye.